Yo, yo, yo. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Masterpiece, and I'm back with another video. And I know a lot of people might not like this video, but hey, get over it. But before I start the video, I just want to say shout out to all my subscribers. We finna hit 500 subscribers, man. Yo, that's a blessing, man. I appreciate all the love and support, all the views and likes and comments that y'all guys do, man. I really appreciate that. Keep it coming, keep it coming. You know what I'm saying? You know, we growing, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, it's crazy just to see the growth. Almost 500 subscribers is wild to me, man. That's wild. I thank y'all. But after I make this video, maybe I probably won't have as many subscribers. Some people may unsubscribe, but you know what I'm saying? That's why I love how I went about my channel. I never forced or asked or begged none of you guys to subscribe. It came from you guys' heart. But I just gotta address something. This shit really grinds my gears. It's like, long story short, it's not gonna be a long video at all. I'm just gonna speak my mind and then I'm gonna get off this shit and tell y'all have a wonderful day. That's just how it's gonna go. But I've lost a lot of friendships, a lot of bonds with people, you know, people that I thought were cool over religion, you know what I'm saying? Over what the fuck they believe in, you know? I'm so tired of that. You know, I've dealt with people, man, we've been cool, laugh, joke, great conversations, you know what I'm saying? Everything is good until they mention religion. This is why I don't mention religion to no one. Whatever you believe in, that's your business. Whatever I believe in, that's my business. Me as a person, I'm spiritual, you know what I'm saying? I don't go to church, you know what I'm saying? I don't be doing all that like that. I'm spiritual, bro. The God is within me. I express the God within me. I treat people how I want to be treated, you know what I'm saying? And I don't do to people as I would want to do to me. That's just how I live my life, you know what I'm saying? And I never put spirituality down nobody's throat. I never forced none of you guys that watch me on my channel. I never forced you guys to be spiritual or nothing like that. If you're a Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, or atheist, I don't give a damn what you are. As long as I like your vibe, you know what I'm saying, your intentions, what your heart like, you know, how you treat people and stuff, all that extra shit don't matter to me, bro. I don't like how big ass grown kids, I should say, throw their religion down people's throats, and if you don't believe in what they believe in, they try to, you know, downgrade you or make you feel like less of a person. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just because you're a Christian or whatever, don't be just throwing Jesus down everybody's throat. Jesus this, Jesus that. Because I see through the bullshit, you know what I'm saying? And I know that y'all masters gave y'all that shit, and that's exactly why most people act like that anyway. But look, real rap. I know a lot of y'all that believe in religion. It's two things with most of y'all. I'm not saying everyone, because I met some cool Christians and like Muslims or whoever that don't judge people just because they don't believe in what they believe in. They don't judge people. They let people go off vibe. You know what I'm saying? As long as you cool, we can sit that to the side, and you know, we don't have to talk about religion. But I like you as a person, so we can keep forward this relationship. I respect people like that. But I see through the bullshit, yo. Most of y'all are scared to burn in hell, or willing to do literally anything to try to sneak your way up into heaven. I see right through that shit, you know what I'm saying? That's why niggas be like, Jesus this, Jesus that, the only way is Jesus, the only way to happiness. Bro, you can really be an atheist, don't believe in nothing, you know what I'm saying, and still have a happy life and still raise your vibration. That's on you. What you believe in is on you. I don't give a fuck if a nigga said a grasshopper or a chair is God and worship that. I don't care. Long as when I get around that person and they're cool, they show me the utmost respect. You know, they don't disrespect me and stuff like that. I don't care what you believe in, bro. I don't even ask people. I don't care. Motherfuckers are getting their feelings quick when I tell them I don't go to church. Oh, you need Jesus in your life. Oh, go to hell. You're going to hell if you don't do this and that. Man, I don't like that shit. That shit be pissing me off. I'll be ready to cuss y'all motherfuckers out, boy. Real snap. Like, y'all don't see how low vibrational that is. Y'all don't see how selfish that is. Y'all don't see how, like, weird that is. You know what I'm saying? I don't like, and like I always say this, if I have to go to heaven around niggas like y'all niggas that be in heaven, I don't want to be chilling with y'all for eternity, man. Y'all weird as shit. You know what I'm saying? How the fuck you don't even know a nigga just cause somebody don't go to church, you gonna say they gonna go to hell and shit. That's why I'm spiritual, bro. Whatever you do, whatever you believe in your personal life, whatever you do personally, I don't give a fuck. It's not affecting me. As long as our relationship is cool and we vibing, bro, that's all I care about, man. I don't be on that extra shit, yo. I stay away from people that act the way I'm saying. Like I say, I see through the bullshit. Y'all niggas be scared to burn in hell, like they tell you, or you trying to be such a great person and sneak your way up to heaven, like y'all can finesse God. You know, like y'all be hollering about Jesus and God all the time. Like you said, they you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure y'all worshipers watch y'all. You really think they're proud of you for doing that type of shit? For telling people they're gonna go to hell if they don't believe in what you believe in, acting like a big ass kid? You really think they would like tell you good job on that? No, because that's not righteous. That's not high vibrational by any means. That's not cool. You're downing someone because of what you believe in your reality. You know what I'm saying? That's not cool, bro. Because on the other foot, I promise you those people wouldn't do that to you. They don't do that to you. And it's crazy how people can't return the favor to people, you know? But that's all good. But like I said, I see through the bullshit. I just wanted to drop that vid because I'm sick and tired of that. And shout out to the people that feel me. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hateful comments and this, that, and the third and all that shit, bro. I don't care about none of that, yo. I will block you from my channel, which I did with a lot of people when I dropped my Rashad Jamal video is going crazy, yo. That shit almost at 5K views, like 300, 400 some likes and shit, a lot of comments. I had a lot of people that was on that, yeah, he's in jail because he denied Jesus and all this, that, and the third, blah, blah, blah. You know, he need Jesus, he need to go to church, he need to repent. And all this extra shit people were saying, man. And it's like, bro, you never watch Rashad Jamal if you feel that way. You would really see why they got him in a cage, bro. And it's far from him not believing in Jesus, my boy. Like, y'all need to fix y'all motherfucking ego. I'm trying to tell you, it's y'all ego. You know what I'm saying? Soon as someone don't believe in what you believe in, it's like they hit a nerve in y'all. Y'all gotta tighten up, man. What the fuck y'all forget? I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna end this video. What y'all forget is, it's tons of people on the planet. Tons of people. You think everybody is gonna agree to worship or believe in one thing? Like, come on, bro. And another thing, bro. I was about to say, I got distracted. Damn. But yeah, bro, everybody's not gonna believe in what you believe in, yo. It's a lot of people out here, man. So we just gotta tighten up and learn how to put that shit to the side, put our differences in what we believe in to the side, and try to figure out if we want to bond just off of connection and who you are as a person, bro. That's what we need to do, man. Yeah, man. But I was gonna say some real shit, bro, but it slipped my mind. I think I seen someone that I know because I'm out at the store right now, and I was finna holler at him, but I'm in the middle of a video. But like, just tighten up with that shit, man. Oh, I know what I was gonna say, bro. We all were born. Every single person that you see on this fucking planet, we all were born with free will. So that means anybody around here can believe in what the fuck they want to believe in without hearing your mouth. You got free will to do whatever you want to do in this life. Just know your consequences. That's all it is. We all got free will, dude. But it is what it is. Like I said, I know a lot of people gonna be in my comments on that bullshit. I will block the fuck out of you. So before you even type some fuck shit, think about that, bro. Because you won't be able to see my channel again. Because I don't got time for that. Peace, love to the universe, to the planet, to the people, man. I love y'all. It's your boy, Master Peace, and I'm gone, man. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Let's get it.